All right, so good afternoon. This is Dave here, aboard a 2021 Can-Am. I have no idea how to pronounce those things. It sounds Japanese to me, but as long as it's not Chinese, we're fine. These things are so smooth, you're not going to believe that we're already going 50 miles an hour and it feels like we haven't even moved. As we follow the valley of death, we shall fear no evil. We're actually driving around in a 2021 Can-Am, and we are driving down the road, but as we can see, there's an ATV in front, and the driver doesn't want to pass him because he's afraid that he won't be able to pass them.
Now we have our own fucking place. And I want my son to play.
The ranch, and we're gonna come up to the lake house real quickly because one of the drivers in front needed to use the bathroom. That's the fourth time he had to stop, and overall I can say that this new ATV is a little bit smoother, and I'm in a back seat. There we go. So as we take out through the roads out here, and normally these roads are made for ATVs only or four-wheel drive trucks. Because a two-wheel drive like the passenger's vehicle would not make it through these roads. But
She's not hot. She got up. It's not hot. She's never been hot. Ever she's good. She's always been right about that. Yeah, it's not hot.
as I could see that the wind might be blowing. Who the hell went through the middle of the field?